Have you ever wondered how cats see the world? How they perceive sounds, smells, and movements around them? Get ready to discover the incredible senses of felines and understand why they are so fascinating. Cats have incredible night vision. Thanks to a special layer in their eyes called tapetum lucidum, they reflect light and see better in the dark than we do. But unlike humans, they don't see every color. For them, the world is a mixture of blue and green, but the reddish tones are less noticeable. This means that while we can distinguish a wide variety of colors, for felines the world seems more limited in this respect. However, this adapted vision makes them extremely effective hunters at night, allowing them to move with agility, even in low-light environments. They can perceive the movement of their prey with impressive precision, even in complete darkness. This is a vital advantage for their hunting activities, as most of their natural predators are also more active at night. Even in brighter places, cats are able to adjust their eyes quickly, making the most of any available light source. What's more, they have a wider field of vision of around 200 degrees, but they don't see as well up close. This explains why they sometimes seem to aim at something before attacking. This peripheral vision is a crucial adaptation for hunting and protecting themselves from predators. By observing their surroundings, they can perceive subtle movements from their prey or potential threats, giving them an advantage. However, their close-up vision is somewhat limited, which can mean that they need to get closer to a target in order to identify it clearly. This also explains why they often adjust their head position or take steps to get closer to the object of interest, focusing on details that are difficult to perceive at a greater distance. Cats hear much better than we do. They pick up high-frequency sounds and can even hear ultrasound. What's more, their ears rotate 180 degrees, allowing them to localize any noise with precision. That's why they always seem to know when we're coming, even before they see us. This is due to felines' heightened sense of hearing, which is much sharper than ours. They use this ability to hunt, detecting small sounds that indicate the presence of prey. Even when they're asleep, cats keep their hearing alert, being able to perceive subtle sounds around them. This characteristic is an evolutionary advantage, as it allows them to identify threats and hunting opportunities without having to open their eyes. What's more, each ear can move independently, adjusting itself to better pick up noises in the environment. This hearing ability also explains why many cats react to noises that we don't even notice. Electronic sounds, such as those from household appliances, can bother them, as can very loud noises. On the other hand, they can recognize our voices from a distance and even distinguish different tones, sensing when we are calm or angry. Thanks to their acute hearing, cats communicate with each other and with us in subtle ways. They can detect the slightest sound from a distant meow, or realize when we've opened a packet of food and immediately appear in the kitchen. So if your cat seems to know everything that's going on around it, it's because it actually hears a lot, more than we realize. For this reason, cats can react to stimuli that are often imperceptible to us. When we see a cat become alert for no apparent reason, it may just be listening to something we can't perceive. Sniffing the air with its muzzle raised, the cat seems to be on a fact-finding mission. Each deep breath reveals a new mystery to be unraveled. They move their lips, sometimes even showing their teeth, as if they were absorbing a wealth of information. This behavior, known as flehmen, is an instinctive and fascinating response. When cats do this, they are literally savoring smells, identifying specific chemical compounds that reveal details about their surroundings. If you watch closely, you'll see how their eyes narrow, focused on understanding what's in the air. With every movement, its body seems to become a sensitive antenna, receptive to everything the breeze carries. As simple a gesture as it may seem, this attitude reveals how subtle and attentive the cat is to its surroundings. In a split second, they can identify other animals, changes in the weather, or even the emotional state of their owners. When he's finished, he stays silent for a moment, as if he's processing all the information he's just learned. This moment of introspection is brief, but it carries an impressive insight into what is going on around him. The whiskers also play an important role in detecting vibrations in the environment, allowing cats to perceive subtle movements around them, such as approaching prey. This ability helps them hunt with impressive precision. When in hunting situations, their whiskers are even sharper, allowing them to act with speed and agility, instantly adjusting to their surroundings. When a cat is curious, it is common to see its whiskers moving, almost as if they were exploring the space in front of them. This behavior can be observed when they investigate new objects or try to reach something in tight places. Even outside their main function of hunting, their whiskers remain an essential tool for their interaction with the world. Cats are carnivores and have fewer taste buds than we do. But the most curious thing? They can't taste sweetness. That's because their ancestors never needed sugar in their diet. So if your cat ignores fruit and sweets, now you know why. This adaptation is an evolutionary advantage, since they depend on proteins and fats for their nutrition. Their sense of taste is more sensitive to amino acids and acids, essential substances for survival. Although cats don't enjoy sweets, they do love fresh meat, such as chicken or fish, and can even be attracted to foods with a high fat content. Their diet is therefore extremely focused on animal sources. It's also interesting to note that, unlike humans, cats don't need carbohydrates for energy, which explains their preference for protein-rich foods. Now that you know how cats perceive the world, how about looking at your feline through different eyes? They live in a universe full of sounds, smells, and movements that we can't even imagine, and that makes them even more incredible. So, did you like the video? Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for more curiosities about the world of cats. See you next time.